Be safe around trains, a message from Metro.
When a man's an empty kettle, he should be on his mettle, and yet I'm torn apart. Just because I'm presuming that I could be kinda human if I only had a heart.
Ethan, say something! For God's sake!
Boo, you whore.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Why, if I had a brain, I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain. And my head I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching if I only had a brain.
Your vast experience hasn't prevented 8 victims from being murdered.
Oh, I see. It's my fault, is it? Oh, of course. Everybody dance now.
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts, dee-dee-dee-dee, there they are, standing in a row.
I'm dying of thirst. Think I need a good cup of Java.
It's the most happy flavor, deep and hearty flavor. It's the most happy flavor in the USA.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world.
Oh, do you sell inhalers?
Sean.
I am your father.
Do you know what he said about you?
Ethan Mars is an unbalanced, psychopathic asshole.
No way!
This kid's gonna die, and I'm going around in circles! Her vast experience hasn't prevented 8 victims from being murdered. Fucking asshole! That's enough.
Jason!